Elephants. African elephants often live on big land or deep forests. The main environment for Asian elephants are tropical forests. This is because they have a diversity of food, water, and they have a good range of plants, so elephants can easily find food and find a shelter for themselves. Colder place, anywhere that humans have them. Horses have the ability of carrying heavy loads, and they have strong feet, so they are usually raised on a mountainous area to help humans transport goods and move on the mountain. Ducks. The habitat of ducks are wetlands such as pond, river, lake, sometimes coastal lagoon, and forest, such as a muddy forest or forests that are near the sea. Ducks are popular in different climate areas in the world. For ducks that are kept within family, they are usually released around the fields or ponds so that they can swim and rest. Their body was structured to get adapted to underwater environment. The belly area, they have a layer of fur that helps them float on the water. Their feet has a covering layer that make it like a paddle and helps the duck swim easily. Sheep. Most sheep herds in the world are kept as cattle in farms. In the natural habitat, sheep can be found on mountains, highlands, or on the desert. Compared to other cattle, these animals love mountainous area. All that they need is a shelter, water, and a big field where they can feed grass for themselves. Because of this need of eating grass, sheep are usually kept at the bottom of hills, sometimes fields, or anywhere that has large land. Wild sheep can be found in almost mountainous area in the world.